Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage, and I am loving my Corvette C8 so much I wanted to go over with you guys a few tutorials on some things that you can properly do. The first one we're going to do today is the launch control. So listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's take a look. So we're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the launch control properly. Now right now we are in the sport mode. We're going to put the car into drive, put the pedal down as hard as you can and accelerate. When you release the pedal, the vehicle will launch. You see the RPMs that we're at right now. For a better launch, what you want to do is engage the traction control off 2 times. You'll see it comes up ESC competitive mode. Now when you accelerate hard with the brake down, now you're in launch mode. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.